Welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So this travel talk video is going to be about a small town, Nako, which we had visited on the way towards our Spiti journey. And before even this Dalgona coffee challenge was a trend, we had an opportunity of visiting a very small restaurant in Nako, where we met this amazing guy and who was actually the owner of this particular restaurant, and he made this coffee specifically for us. So let's start the video. So while you're planning your Spiti Valley journey, I would definitely recommend you to complete the entire route, which would be starting from Shimla and ending into Manali. And after a few ahead of Sangla, there comes a small village called as Nako, and I would definitely recommend you to have a night stay at Nako, because when we had visited in the entire travel, we had a night stay at Nako. There is not really much that you can visit at Nako. There is just this Nako monastery and there is this Nako lake, but this was the restaurant which we came across while we were traveling, and this guy was indeed amazing. First we were just out of network for a couple of days, and after that when we visited this particular cafe, we had that Italian pizza that he had served, and it was really an amazing experience. Then he started talking with us about his experience, so how he is usually whole year he stays in Goa. He works at a cruise. He has this restaurant too over that cruise, and when it is off season, then he travels back to Himachal, where it is his home. And the next day he invited us for a coffee which he was specially going to make for us, and this is how entirely he had made this full coffee for us. He had these amazing instruments which he had discovered on his own while one of his travels abroad, and he explained to us that how amazing he could make this kind of coffee for us. So while making this coffee, one of the things that he told us is layers by layers, how you have to put everything into the cup. First comes the thin layer of milk, then comes the layer of froth, and this was the entire way how he made the entire particular coffee towards us.
Hey guys, so this is the outcome of that amazing coffee which had been made. So we will be just having this coffee again at today at the Lapis area, and from here onwards, right away we'll be heading ahead towards Pin.
So you can check out my entire journey. The link is there in the description. A whole 8 nights and 9 days I had the entire route starting from Shimla and ending in Manali. And I would definitely recommend you to have a night stay at Nako, because apart from being on the way, one of the most beautiful night sky view you would be able to experience in Nako. So definitely do take a night stay, and definitely do visit this restaurant if you want to have this unique coffee. So that is all for this travel talks video, guys. Do let me know how the video is in the comment section, and even any other travel tips that you want from me in the next travel episode, you can do give me a suggestion in the comments below. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and I'll be meeting you in the next video.